Unit 6 Mixed Review number 9. Luke has 2 3/4 pounds of candy. His friend Matt has 3 3/8 pounds of candy. They combined their candy in a bowl to share with their friends. What is the best estimate of the number of pounds of candy Luke and Matt have all together? So all kinds of clues in this one. We're combining, we want all together, and so we're definitely going to add, and we get to estimate. So we've got 3 3/8, and we're going to add 2 3/4, but we get to estimate. So remember, to estimate, we draw our model. So let's start with that 3 3/8. The 3 we don't worry about. The 3/8 is what we want to get rid of. That's the part that makes it hard. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drawing my 8s. Mark 0, half, and whole, making sure that your half is definitely in the middle. Now we want to shade 3 of those 8s. So 1, 2, 3. And we can see that we are 3 boxes away from 0 and only 1 box from half. So 3/8 is going to estimate to half. Put that together with our 3, and we have 3 1/2. Then we're going to draw a model of our 2 3/4. So 3/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mark 0, half, and whole. Shade in 3 of them, 1, 2, 3. And we check to see what are we closer to. Well, I'm 1 box from a half and 1 box from 1. When you're right in the middle, you always go up. So 3/4 is going to round to 1. Put that together with the 2, and we get 3. 3 1/2 plus 3, you get 1/2 plus nothing is 1/2. And 3 plus 3 is 6. And so final answer is 6 1/2.